Happy Taco Tuesday once again, my cash cow family. From flooded Carmel by the sea. Anyway, guys, I'll talk about that in a few moments. But this video, guys, is I'm going to show you guys how to set up your Google Shopping ads for your Shopify e-commerce store. So if that interests you at all, I urge you to stick around for the whole freaking video. Please. I'll flip it around, guys, and we'll get this party started. Did you miss me? I'm so original, I know. I say that every time if you're new to this channel. You know why? Because I can. Anyway, guys, so here we are in Shopify. And before I begin, guys, always, this is kind of a paid sponsorship by Shopify. So I was able to get you guys a 3-month trial for Shopify. It's actually $1 a month. So hopefully you can afford that big moolah. But anyway, guys, the number one thing that you need to do, the first thing you need to do, and I'm not going to go over it in this video because there's a ton of videos and it's kind of confusing to me as well. But as you know, if you follow me, I just get in and I just do shit. And that's what I recommend you guys do as well. But the number one thing, guys, you're going to need to get this set up is a Google Merchant Center account. And I have actually just in the last day or two, they actually suspended my account. I haven't even dove into what the issue is or anything like that. And if I'm being honest, I really don't care per se, because I'm going to show you some results that I got from yesterday and this morning. We spent a whopping 2 cents on Google Shopping ads to generate Well, you can see this sale right here. That's this morning. This is what we've done this month, guys. Not great, but not horrible. So far, like $900 profit so far for this month. But let me go into yesterday. So yesterday we did $127.97, as you can see. And let me just log into my Google Ads account. Yeah. Why does it ask you to sign in every freaking time? I hate this shit. Oh my gosh. And again, guys, you just got to get in here, and I'm assuming that if you're watching this video, you have a Google Ads account. It's super simple to set up, guys. So let me continue here. As you can see, what is today? It's March 14th. So to generate that sale this morning of $83.99, it cost us a whopping 2 cents. And then yesterday, guys, to generate that 127, we spent a whopping 1 cent. So I'm sorry, I lied. It was actually, we spent 3 cents. Anyway, guys, these shopping ads are super simple to set up. But like I said, you have to have a Google Merchant Center account first. And you also need the Google sales channel in your Shopify store. So let me go back over here. And as you can see, guys, I have it right here. But you would just simply download it. And see, this is what I'm talking about. Now, I just logged into this, so I just now saw this myself. I mean, I got an email yesterday stating that something was wrong. But as you can see, guys, I have no products right now approved on Google. But as you saw, we spent 3 cents. So I really don't care. I mean, obviously, I'm going to fix it. But I'm going to sell this website anyway. I'm going to use some of the money just to pad my bank account for when we go to Mexico. which is going to be soon. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Um, but anyway, guys, and I actually logged into my Google Merchant Center account. Um, I'm not going to do this with you guys, but I just need to review and fix whatever. And guys, there's numerous people here on YouTube who know a lot more than your cash cow when it comes to setting up your Google Merchant Center stuff. And I'll put a link to someone who I follow and who is really like he's an expert when it comes to Google Shopping ads, any kind of Google ads. So I'll put a link to his channel down below, so you guys can figure out the Google Merchant Center. La la la. So anyway, guys, I'm just going to walk you through real quick, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up a Google Shopping ad. It's not going to be effective for me right now because everything is shut down or suspended. Fix suspended Merchant Center account affecting 3 campaigns. Yeah, I'll get right on that. Oh, and just a quick tip, guys, when you start running your ads, do not follow this optimization stuff that is presented to you by Google, because it's all a bunch of shit. They just want you spending as much money as humanly possible. They sent a recommendation to me last week or something, saying that I need to make my keywords broad. And if I was to do that, guys, you know how much money I would have lost. So don't follow these optimization or recommendations from Google on anything. Yeah. All right, guys. So basically, you're just going to click on New Campaign. New campaign again. What is going on here? Jeez. Guys, you are going to click on sales. And then I already have purchases, obviously. So I am tracking purchases, and I'm actually going to remove this add to cart goal. So you might not even see this in here, especially if you have a new account, you won't. But this is how it tracks your conversions, or builds the targeting around these purchases. So yeah, sales, and then if you have that, obviously just do purchases. Don't do add to cart and all that stuff. Just purchases. And then click continue, and then click shopping. Check product diagnostics. Well, I'm not going to do that right now. And guys, I don't know. I'm not an expert on Performance Max campaigns either. But this is not what this video is about. It's about standard shopping campaign. So you would obviously click that. And you can see, guys, they're trying to get me to switch to a Performance Max campaign. And I'm not doing that because you have to set up a lot of assets with images and certain sizes and all that. And your cash cow ain't interested in that right now. So standard shopping, continue. Test. Testing 1, 2, 3. Guys, I would suggest that you just do maximize clicks for right now until you build up data, and then you could change it to the target ROAS, which is, if you don't know, ROAS means return on ad spend. But we'll just set it at maximize clicks, and I always set a maximum, which is going to be, if you follow this channel, it is 52 cents. And then you can put an average daily budget here. if say I put 20 bucks in, 22 bucks, and it starts running, and say it only spends $10, so the next day it'll take the balance, which would be like $12, and it'll add it on to the 22. I know that made no sense, but it really doesn't matter. Just always make sure you set your maximum CPC so you don't have them charging you $2 or $3 a freaking click. So we'll just daily budget 22 bucks. Campaign priority. If you're running more than one campaign, obviously choose your best campaign, and you would. I mean, I have 3 different shopping ads currently going. Well, they're not running right now, but so I have one at low, I have one at medium, and I have one at high. The high is my best converting shopping ad, so that's kind of self-explanatory. Also, guys, another thing, make sure that you have include Google search partners. Uncheck that box. Yes, they'll say, oh, you'll get so many more clicks and this, that, and the other. Guys, they're full of shit. Don't buy into that because you'll lose money. So make sure that is always unchecked. Please, 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 please. And I always do the top tier countries, which is like 7 different countries. But we'll just put United States and Canada for now. If you wanted to add another location, I'll just show you real quick. So we could say Australia. And then you just come up here and you hit target. So it's only that. So then you put USA, target. You get where I'm going? It's not rocket science, as I always say. All right, we'll leave those 3 countries. And the other good countries are United Kingdom, obviously, New Zealand. I don't know off the top of my head, but ad group, I'm just going to leave it as that. You can name it whatever you want. And guys, hit create campaign. And you're done. But again, you have to have a Google Merchant Center account with your products in there. And again, guys, I'll link. Actually, I'll show you real quick the guy I'm talking about. I always say real quick. It's never real quick, is it? YouTube. Let me just. I don't know his name off the top of my head, so Google. Well, actually, both of these guys, right? Actually, all 3 of these guys right here, guys. I'm not a big fan of this guy down here because I reached out to him to see if he could help me, and he said basically I would need $20,000 in sales a month to work with him. I know the guy knows Google Ads in and out. But that just kind of rubbed me the wrong way because he was kind of rude about it. And so, fuck off. And I'm sure you guys know Ivan Mana, especially if you know anything about affiliate marketing or you're trying to do that. I've been following him pretty much since day one. But the other guy is Aaron Young. I'll put Ivana and Aaron's both in there. I've watched this guy go from 1,000 subscribers to 32,000 in like 2 or 3 months, which is huge. I think 3 months. These guys will take over from here. So anyway, guys, if you want to hear about the flooding going on here in Carmel by the Sea, California, and the whole Monterey Peninsula, it's been absolutely crazy. We've had rain for like, it seems like 2 months, and we never get that much rain. And we need it, but we don't need any more. But anyway, it's been crazy, and I've actually been caddying. I caddied yesterday, and thank God I'm not caddying today because the rain is back on and the wind. But enough about that stuff, guys. I'm gonna end this video where we're at right here. I think I covered everything. Again, go and check out. Let me just see here real quick. If you type in the search on his channel, there you go, guys. So just watch his. Well, you can go through and see which videos you guys need to watch. But anyway, guys, I think that's it for me. No new news. I should have my passport hopefully within the next 2 to 3 months, and then we're headed to Mexico to live the laptop lifestyle. And I cannot wait to get out of California. Oh. Anyway, I'm done paying $6.50 for frickin' gas and $7.50 for frickin' eggs, and our governor is a piece of shit, and his name's Gavin Newsom. Yeah, so other than that, guys, that's all I have. I'll make another video soon. I've got some things running in my mind. I have to caddy the next 2 days starting tomorrow, and then so maybe look for the video on Friday. How's that sound? So I hope you've all been well, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you all. Oh, one more thing. If you liked the video, would you please give it a like? And if you like this beautiful face, would you click subscribe, and I'll show you how to make money online. How's that? Love you all. Peace.